So I've just had a look at this euro dollar then, and noting that we're trying to turn up higher on the backside of that bearish trend, which now turned bullish. So we broke the trend, um, and we were riding a bullish trend until we started to break down. So we started to move sideways. Looks like we're making a potential head and shoulders. I don't know what significance that might have for going further out, but this is the current scenario. So we are sliding out the bullish trend. We're on the front side of that bearish trend. So we've come up and we could be heading lower. Um, we so we had high, low to high, low, high, higher low, but we seem to be creating a lower high. So that might indicate it's indicating to me that this bullish trend is pausing, and we're potentially going to rebalance what has been left behind on the way up. And in that sense, then we have currently this bullish impulse that we're correcting into. We're making an M formation. So the top of that M goes up to there. This is the neckline. So I see these patterns over and over again, and we are in the throes of completing a move into the imbalances that was left behind in that move, which would then complete the right hand side of the M formation, leaving behind an imbalance to move back up into the neckline, which might act as resistance. If this were to act as resistance, then we'd anticipate a move lower below the trend line resistance. Um, and it may move as far as taking out whatever stops are below here, taking out this imbalance of, of the market between here and here. Um, and in doing so, um, we'll be in this impulse correction mode, and looking to take out money stops that below here, and potentially all the way down into here. So that is my outlook in a broken down market. And then once we reach down here, we could potentially move back up in line with the bullish trend, and to rebalance everything that was sold off over time. So it's a very long-term outlook, but for current scenario, up, down, and then a move back up into resistance. Should make that red for resistance. So bearish for the time being. Um, Now that is not to say that we can't see um, a move up to come back down. We might see that, but this for me is a bearish scenario. But I am cautious of chasing the dollar's bid. But I think there could be some legs in this for a move in to test the figure 108 and move back up.